In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cross out words in Microsoft Word. If you want to cross out or strike through text in a Microsoft Word document, you can use the strike-through formatting option. This is useful when you want to show that certain words should be removed or replaced while still keeping them visible in the document. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to cross out some text. Once your document is open, locate the words or sentence that you want to cross out. Select the text by clicking and dragging your mouse over the words. Make sure you select only the text that you want to apply the formatting to. Next, go to the Home tab at the top of Microsoft Word. In the Font section, look for the Strike-through option. The icon usually shows letters with a line going through them. Click the Strike-through option, and the selected text will immediately have a line through it. For example, if you have a sentence containing a word that you no longer want to use, you can select that word and apply strike-through. The word will remain visible, but the line through it makes it clear that the word has been crossed out. You can also use this formatting when reviewing documents, making corrections, or showing changes without completely deleting the original text. If you want to remove the strike-through formatting, simply select the crossed-out text again and click the strike-through option. The line will be removed, and the text will return to its normal appearance. Another useful option is double strike-through, which is available through the Font dialog box in Microsoft Word. This applies 2 lines through the selected text instead of 1. However, the regular strike-through option is usually enough for most documents. When using strike-through, remember that it does not delete the text. The original words remain in the document, and the formatting simply places a line through them. This makes it useful when you want readers to see the original content while clearly showing that it has been removed or changed. Once you are finished making your changes, save the document to keep the formatting. And that's how you can easily cross out words or sentences in Microsoft Word using the strike-through feature. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,